Today we talk about how can you change password on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me down here, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here above your name, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on change password. So then here enter your current password, then here your new password, and here can you confirm new password, and here you click on complete it here. So then it's going to change with you here automatically on your app. That's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.